This week we review the latest fresh produce prices in South Africa and focus on the potato market, with prices still 77% higher compared to a year ago. I will also discuss what I expect for the rest of this year in terms of price movements. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Outlook, all made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. You can visit our website at amtrends.co.za to see the latest prices, access the latest reports and get some extra information as well. You can also view our videos on AMT's YouTube and Facebook channels or join one of our WhatsApp groups and keep up to date with the latest information available. But with that said, let's see what happened on the markets over the past week. The rand strengthened significantly last week, trading on 18 rand 9 cents against the US dollar on Monday morning. The US dollar weakened due to lower than expected inflation, indicating that interest rates in America may begin to stagnate. We expect further interest rates hikes locally, but they should not exceed 25 basis points. Brent oil prices initially rose above $80 the past week due to a possibility of low supply from Russia. However, Libyan production has increased again, causing the latest price to fall to $79 per barrel on Monday morning. In the vegetable market, the potato price increased again the past week and is now trading on 81 rand 67 per 10 kg bag, while the average class 1 large medium mondial price traded between 85 and 90 rand per 10 kg bag on the Nile.ag platform. The average potato price is now about 77% higher than a year ago and trading at record levels for this time of the year. In July, we are expecting higher volumes and prices that can therefore decrease but stay on a higher level compared to previous years. It will be interesting to see how much volumes will come out of the markets in August and September. My expectation is that more volumes will be put into the markets over that period and that we might see lower prices. I don't think the price will go as low as last year, with load shedding still limiting the production potential at the moment. Tomato prices decreased by 2% to 9 rand 48 per kilogram, with volumes increasing with 17% the past week. We are however expecting lower prices this week due to low demand on the markets reported. The national average carrot price traded 6% higher last week and traded on 3 rand 60 per kilogram, while the large class 1 carrot price increased to 45 rand per 10 kg bag on the Nile.ag platform. Prices decreased drastically the last month or two and can start to stabilize and trade on similar levels until September of this year. Onion prices remained in its downward trend, with the average national price decreasing by 1% to 89 rand 90 per 10 kg bag. On Nile.ag, the latest class 1 large medium brown onion price traded between 92 and 96 rand per 10 kg bag. We had significantly higher volumes on the markets the past month, with prices likely to remain in a downward trend at least until September of this year. We're expecting prices to trade on similar levels then from October to December. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, low commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag. For a journey of a lifetime, let Toyota Ottery help you find your first prize. For more information, contact their dealer principal Andrew VM directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price and service nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. The average pepper price decreased to 17 rand 34 per kilogram, with the green pepper price also lower on 14 rand 81 per kilogram. Red pepper prices, however, increased to 21 rand 13, while yellow pepper prices increased to 23 rand 5 cents per kilogram. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. cabbages on R2.87, garlic on R66.43, spinach on R4.67, pumpkins on R4.78, while sweet potato prices also increased to R4.01 last week. Looking at the fruit markets, however, most prices increased on the back of better demand last week. The banana price increased to R7.15, with the Class 1 large hand variety price on Nile.ag still trading on R160 per 18 kg box. Higher volumes coupled with low demand will most likely put pressure on the banana price at least until September of this year. Apple prices increased to R8.89, while pear prices increased to R9.08 per kilogram last week, with both these prices likely to stay in an upward trend for the rest of this year. The latest orange price increased by 3% to R3.72 per kilogram and is likely to increase until September, but likely to stay on a lower level as well. From October until December, this price is likely to gain significant momentum when local production is very low. Our prices increased to R15.66 last week and can also remain in an upward trend as we move towards the end of the year. The table grape price traded lower on R71.04, with the pineapple price increasing to R7.64 per kilogram last week. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last. From industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology, every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. These videos are made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Ottery, and Zimmatic irrigation systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thank you for watching.